Two-factor authentication on Kik. Hey guys, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this update, I'll show how to secure your account by enabling two-factor authentication on Kik. If you missed the first video, check out our channel. It explains what this new social network is and how to sign up. This is the second video on enabling two-factor authentication to boost your account security. Let's get started, folks. I'm already logged into Kik. Click on your profile picture up here. Next, click on the Settings option. In Settings, you'll see options like URL, Broadcast Key, and Preferences. What you want to click on is Security. Here you'll see your current password and two-factor authentication, 2FA. I'll enable it by clicking this option. Now I'll open Google Authenticator, scan this QR code or type the code, but scanning is easier. Then click Continue. My code appears on my phone and done. Two-factor authentication is now enabled on my Kik account. Quick and easy. Did you manage? Comment below, subscribe for more tutorials, and that's it from me. Take care and God bless. Thanks.